So guys, if I were to handpick one planet which has got most misinterpreted in modern times, that is beyond any doubt Ketu. When it comes down to Ketu, people have that general impression that Ketu means denial, and people start connecting it with a limited knowledge in their own lives. So for example, someone who has just started learning astrology and he got to know that his Ketu is placed in the 7th house. Now this person is going to be traumatized that I cannot get married, my marriage is denied. If Ketu is going to be placed in the 10th house, then person will think that I couldn't have a stable career. So guys, you have to understand that Rahu and Ketu's placement is very karmic in this lifetime. Ketu's placement simply tells about that in the past lifetime you have the maximum obsession, your maximum efforts, time and energies were spent in that area of the life. Now in this lifetime the cosmos or the universe is giving you this hint that leave this area for the divine. I will look after that. All what you have to do is that look beyond it. Look for the higher truth, look for the deeper meaning. And like the way guys, if you follow any of those philosophers, like this could be like Osho or Jiddu Krishnamurti, they all have given emphasis on this thing that only when you leave, the universe starts looking after it, starts working on it. And obviously on one side if you're putting your efforts, and on another side it's the nature, is the divinity which is doing its part, so you can fairly assess that who is going to win. So if you are in this mindset that Ketu in the 7th house will deny the marriage, it might deny the traditional marriage, but I can actually give you the reference of so many charts, celebrity charts who have got many relationship. When we talk about Ketu's placement in the 10th house, Ketu's placement in the 11th house, these are the people who have interest in multiple businesses. So all what matters is that when it comes down to Ketu, rather than getting obsessed with something or rather than getting completely out of it, be in this mindset that more than you, it's the nature, it's the cosmos which will do a better part, which will do a better job. All what you have to do is that have that acceptance that whatever is happening, it is happening for your good.